Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho with pho broth. First, you'll want to prepare your aromatics. Roast ginger and onions until they are nicely charred and fragrant. Then, combine beef bones and meat in a large pot with water. Simmer this mixture for a minimum of 3 hours to develop a rich base. Don't forget to add your essential pho spices like star anise, cinnamon sticks, and black cardamom pods for that authentic flavor. Once your broth is simmering beautifully, it's time to prepare the other components. Thinly slice your preferred beef cut, whether it's raw eye of round or pre-cooked brisket. Next, blanch your rice noodles according to package directions until they are perfectly tender but still have a slight bite. Arrange the cooked noodles and meat in a large bowl, ready for the star of the show, the hot broth. The final touches truly elevate your pho experience. Garnish your bowl generously with fresh herbs such as cilantro, Thai basil, and green onions. Provide a side plate with lime wedges, crisp bean sprouts, and sliced chilies for a customizable kick. A dash of hoisin or sriracha sauce can also be added to taste. Serve your delicious pho immediately, ensuring the broth is piping hot for the best flavor. For an even better pho, remember a few key tips. Skim any excess fat from the broth's surface for a clearer, lighter soup. Taste and adjust the seasoning with a touch of fish sauce and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. You can also prepare the broth in advance and freeze it for quick meals later. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to them, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pho.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.